Okay, here I am at this unit. This is a single knob push button Delta. When they said it was a push button diverter, there's only two brands that do that, would be Moen or Delta. I took a chance and got a Delta, but probably because I couldn't find a Moen one. But I have this. This is the new push button Delta. You don't need to turn the water off to fix this. You take the knob off, take this cover plate off, and as long as the water's not running, you can take this diverter. You unscrew it, and usually this tab, it's a plastic tab, and these are made in the 80s. This is real popular. This valve's probably from the 80s as well. That tab is what fails. All right, let me see if I can set this here. And get this going. All right. Turn the knob off. Now take this cover plate off. There it is. So there's not a lot of fiberglass room around this where the fiberglass is to take this off. That's a little bit of a challenge. Get my handy dandy diverter sockets out. Yeah, and the fiberglass is rubbing on it. You know, I can move it a little bit. There's a little play. There we go. Coming off. Nope, it's just stripping it out. Let me see, it's wrong size maybe. Oh, there we go. That's the right one. I think. I'm pretty sure that's it. That's not doing it either. And this one's too small. I'm being careful not to accidentally turn the water on. Yeah, that's an issue right there. Does not fit. So I get a pair of channel locks on it. And there's not much room around this fiberglass. You always want to try to leave a little bit more room so you can get a tool in there. But this was probably put in 30 or 40 years ago, so they these sockets. Oh, that socket ain't gonna do it. Oh, it's gotta be right on the edge. It'll catch it. All right. Nope, it will not. That one's kind of rounded off. This is a lot harder to get to than anticipated. Okay. What else could I do? What can I do? I can't grab it with this because the fiberglass is in the way. My diverter valve socket is not fitting. I have a socket set in the van. Let me grab that and see if I can get one of those to fit on. All right, I'll be back.